Many times I came to Kerala, but I did not prepare any video, so I thought to prepare video. So on Cochin airport actually. Sorry to miss that. So I'm preparing a video for how Cochin airport is, so inside and outside. Just have a look, guys. Definitely you will feel happy for that by knowing Cochin airport. Okay, let's have a look. You can see such a beautiful airport, Cochin. So very beautiful. Always this entire airport runs with solar. I can see. It's a beautiful Indian flag, and that is Terminal 3, and this is Terminal 2, and this goes to Terminal 1. I can say beautiful airport. I always love to come here. Tasty Kerala food and a beautiful ambience and God's own country, Kerala. Love you guys. This is inside the airport. Here also they've made very traditionally, I can say. So the prices of the inside items, whatever they are selling, is also reasonable, I can say, because comparatively in other airports they charge very huge prices, but yes, here you will get a better price. You can buy from here also, like Kerala saris and all other things. So full ambience, I can say, and they're always you can buy with a reasonable price inside the airport as well. So hope you all like this airport. Please visit. One very good part in this airport, whenever you go and ask for a tea, they instantly prepare and they give you. So that is one good part. You never find anywhere that kind of a facility. So now I'll go and ask the tea. So they will prepare instantly in front of me how much sugar you required and how much whatever the things, if you wanted to add ginger and all. So they will ask and they will prepare and they will give it to you with freshly. So I'll show you that how they prepare everything. It's sugar. So they will prepare in front of us and they'll give you the tea. So this is one of the best thing in Kerala airport. So pricing wise, affordable price, and whenever you ask tea, they will prepare instantly. See, if other people also came in order for tea, they're adding milk and they're preparing now. So this is a good part, I can say. So whereas in other airports we don't have this facility. So these are the gates. People are waiting here to board the flight. So entire airport with proper traditional chairs and all. So it looks good. And if you missed to buy banana chips, you can buy here. So whatever you want to buy, you will get it here. Fruits or chips, something like that, you can buy here. And there are so many things, oils and chocolates, perfumes, all those things you will get. But I can say comparatively any other airport, you will get in a better price in Kochi airport, which I observed. Anyone wanted to try? You can try, guys. So this is my trip to Kerala.